Hey guys, Sandra here, and I'm back again. I'm with on part 2 of the free lead system and lead lightning affiliate marketing plan for beginners. And today I'm going to discuss. Well, first off, this is what the landing page is going to look like when you sign up with me. Who wants free leads? Who else wants free leads for life? We have other landing pages. When you get into the free lead system, you'll see we have other landing pages that you can use. This is the one I'm using right now. This is what it's going to look like, and you just enter your name and your email there, okay? And what I really want to speak on is the lead lightning. So after you sign in here, you're going to get to this page somehow, okay? And this is where you're going to see about the lead lightning. Now, like I said on the last video, it is perfect for beginners to start generating commissions immediately. It creates daily buyer leads, so you know that whoever signs up and pays the one-time $7 fee, you know that they are buyers and they will buy anything else that you promote to them, okay? And these are your leads that you can promote anything to them, all right? Because you're generating leads and enrollments. You can generate leads and enrollments to your primary business. Now, if you don't have a primary business, you can just use this system as your primary. But if you do happen to have another primary business that you're in, you can add it to this system, okay? And when people sign up with you, they will get an email, and the email is going to mention your primary business as well, all right? Next, which goes into the next, we have professionally written Autoresponder campaigns to boost your sales, okay? No monthly fees, and it's easy to use. It's not hard to use at all. Everything is already done for you. You don't have to put nothing together. These are all our current lead lightning affiliates, and this is what you'll be looking at when you get ready to sign up. So again, easy to use. Everything is completely set up and ready to go. You can start generating leads and commissions immediately. Build a buyer's list. Instantly get more leads, subscribers, and more buyers. There is no monthly fee. All you're doing is paying a one-time fee, $7, okay? You can boost your sales and enrollments in your primary business if you so have one through the professionally written email campaigns. All right, so and a whole lot more. You can do a whole lot more with this. So now what you're getting is the ready to go sales funnel. All right, instant link creation to your marketing funnels. Done for you autoresponder campaigns. You don't have to put those together. They are already linked to the sales page. They go out automatically on your behalf. You have a contact manager system. You have a contact manager system in the free leads section as well. But and you also have one in the lead lightning back office. This powerful feature allows you to rate your prospects and take notes if you would, and you can view a list of all your buyers with one click. You have additional marketing help like banners, swipe copy, and a list of industry's top vendors providing you with quality traffic if you want to pay for traffic to get people to come to your lead lightning sales page, okay? You get paid by e-wallet, and the commissions are paid weekly to 188 countries. You can transfer your money to your bank or your Visa pay card instantly. The Visa pay card comes in the mail. Beginner friendly, okay? No setups, no special skills. Complete newbies can be off and running immediately. It's a business in a box. Like I said before, if you don't have a company to promote, you can adjust your system to promote itself, creating the perfect business. Traffic training in your back office. It has an entire training area, includes hundreds of dollars of free traffic training. Commission tracking. All of your commissions are tracked. Okay, so you'll see in your back office who bought how many times, and it's easily viewed at any time. Instant $6 commissions. It's a one-time $7 fee, and you make an entire $6 for every $7 buyer. Commissions are paid weekly to your e-wallet. All right, so unlock the huge daily commissions and unlimited residual income. So these are just some testimonials. You can look at that when you get in there. But this is why I say this is a good thing for beginners, because if you don't have the money, you can't upgrade at the moment, at least do the one-time fee, $7. There's no monthly fee, and you do make money from this. Okay, people are curious. They're going to click the link, and they're going to look at it, and they're going to say, oh, $7? Shoot, I'll get it, you know. And this is cash in your pocket, okay, to help you and your family out, or to help yourself out, you know. So when you sign up with me, you're going to see this link. All you have to do is enter your name and your email and click the Get My System, and you'll automatically be brought to a video of I don't think it's going to look like this. It may look like it may have a video of a man speaking and letting you know that your free lead system is on its way. But he's going to tell you about the lead lightning. At the bottom of the video is going to be a button. You click that button, and it's going to transfer you to this page, and then you'll be able to see more information about it. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that. So this is a good way for anyone who does not have, again, enough money to upgrade. And if you don't have a business of your own and you want one, you could also go to ClickBank, if you've heard of that, and you can find out a way. I might make a separate video on that, but you can have a way where you can promote some affiliate products on ClickBank, okay, and then you can add it to the back office here and add that as your business, your primary business, if you want, or you just use this as your primary business. It doesn't matter, because you're still gonna get the $6. But if you wanted another business, a primary business for other people to look at to make even more money, then you can look into ClickBank. That's one of the places you can go to for affiliate programs to promote. All right, so I hope this was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a like if you like this video. And thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. And remember, you must hustle.